Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to turn on location in Google Chrome. Whether you want to allow websites to access your location or need accurate location-based services, this tutorial will guide you through the process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Chrome. Launch the Google Chrome browser by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or by searching for it in your Applications folder. Step 2. Go to Settings. Click on the button with 3 horizontal bars on the upper right corner of the browser. This will bring down the main menu. Scroll down and click on Settings. The Settings page will load in a new tab. Step 3. Click Privacy and Security. On the left-hand side of the Settings page, you'll see a list of options. Click on Privacy and Security. Step 4. Scroll down and click Site Settings. You'll find this option near the bottom of the Privacy and Security section of options. Click on it to access site settings. Step 5. Click Location. Among the various site settings, locate and click on Location. Step 6. Click the circle next to Sites can ask for your location to select it. By enabling this option, websites will be able to request access to your location when necessary. And that's it. You have successfully turned on location in Google Chrome. Now, websites that require your location will be able to ask for it and provide you with personalized and accurate services. Thank you for watching today's tutorial on how to turn on location in Google Chrome. We hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this. Happy browsing!